Chapter 1. What is Earth science? For thousands of years, people have looked at the world around them and wondered what forces shaped it. Throughout history, many cultures have been terrified and fascinated by seeing volcanoes erupt, feeling the ground shake during an earthquake, or watching the sky darken during an eclipse. Some cultures developed myths or stories to explain these events. Modern science searches for natural causes and uses careful observations to explain these same events and to understand Earth and its changing landscape. The scientific study of Earth began with careful observations. Scientists in China began keeping records of earthquakes as early as 780 BC. The ancient Greeks compiled a catalog of rocks and minerals around 200 BC. Other ancient peoples, including the Maya, tracked the movements of the sun, the moon, and the planets at observatories. The Maya used these observations to create accurate calendars. For many centuries, scientific discoveries were limited to observations of phenomena that could be seen with the unaided eye. Then, in the 16th and 17th centuries, the inventions of the microscope and the telescope made seeing previously hidden worlds possible. Eventually, the body of knowledge about Earth became known as Earth science. Earth science is the study of Earth and of the universe around it. Earth science, like other sciences, assumes that natural events, or phenomena, can be explained through careful observation and experimentation. The ability to make observations improves when technology, such as new processes or equipment, is developed. Technology has allowed scientists to explore the ocean depths, Earth's unseen interior, and the vastness of space. Most Earth scientists specialize in one of four major areas of study: the solid Earth, the oceans, the atmosphere, and the universe beyond Earth. The study of the origin, history, processes, and structure of the solid Earth is called geology. Geology includes many specialized areas of study. Some geologists explore Earth's crust for deposits of coal, oil, gas, and other resources. Other geologists study the forces within Earth to predict earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Some geologists study fossils to learn more about Earth's past. Oceans cover nearly 3/4 of Earth's surface. The study of Earth's oceans is called oceanography. Some oceanographers work on research ships that are equipped with special instruments for studying the sea. Other oceanographers study waves, tides, and ocean currents. Some oceanographers explore the ocean floor to obtain clues to Earth's history or to locate mineral deposits. The study of Earth's atmosphere is called meteorology. Using satellites, radar, and other technologies, meteorologists study the atmospheric conditions that produce weather. Many meteorologists work as weather observers and measure factors such as wind speed, temperature, and rainfall. This weather information is then used to prepare detailed weather maps. Other meteorologists use weather maps, satellite images, and computer models to make weather forecasts. The study of the universe beyond Earth is called astronomy. Astronomy is one of the oldest branches of Earth science. In fact, the ancient Babylonians charted the positions of planets and stars nearly 4,000 years ago. Modern astronomers use Earth-based and space-based telescopes as well as other instruments to study the sun, the moon, the planets, and the universe. Technologies such as rovers and space probes have also provided astronomers with new information. Some Earth scientists study the ways in which humans interact with their environment in a relatively new field of science called environmental science. Many fields of study, such as earth science, biology, and the social sciences, contribute to environmental science. The goal of environmental science is to understand and solve problems that result from how we use natural resources and how our actions affect the environment. Natural forces not only shape Earth, but also affect life on Earth. For example, a volcanic eruption may bury a town under ash, and an earthquake may produce huge ocean waves that destroy shorelines. By understanding how natural forces shape our environment, Earth scientists can better predict potential disasters and help save lives and property. The work of Earth scientists also helps us understand our place in the universe. Astronomers studying distant galaxies have come up with new ideas about the origins of our universe. Geologists studying rock layers have found clues to Earth's past environments and to the evolution of life on this planet. Earth provides the resources that make life as we know it possible. Earth also provides the materials to enrich the quality of people's lives. The fuel that powers a jet, the metal used in surgical instruments, and the paper and ink in this book all come from Earth's resources. The study of Earth science can help people gain access to Earth's resources, but Earth scientists also strive to help people use those resources wisely.